Coco Kids. Let's learn and play.
A for apple, A for ant, B for bat, B for ball, ba ba ba, ba ba ba. C for cat and C for cup, c c c c c c. D for dog, D for dots, d d d, d d d. E for egg and E for elephant, E E E, E E E. F for frog, F for fish, F F F, F F F. G for goat and G for grass, G G G, G G G. H for hand, H for hat, ha ha ha, ha ha ha. I for ink and I for insect, E E E, E E E. J for juice, J for jar, J J J, J J J. K for king and K for kite, K K K, K K K. L for lamp, L for leaf, lift lift lift, lift lift lift. M for man and M for monkey, M M M, M M M. N for neck, N for nose, N N N, N N N. O for ocean, O for oar, O O O, O O O. P for plum, P for parrot, Pa pa pa, Pa pa pa. Q for queen and Q for quail, Q Q Q, Q Q Q. R for rope, R for red, red red red, red red red. S for sun and S for sunflower, S S S, S S S. T for tap, T for tub, D D D, D D D. U for uncle, U for umbrella, V for violin, V for violet, V V V, V V V. W for well and W for wall.